Hey wellness warriors! Welcome back to The Wellness Habit, your go-to channel for science-based tips to transform your health. Today, we're jumping into one of the most powerful yet overlooked secrets to preventing chronic disease, boosting energy, and achieving optimal wellness: alkaline foods. Did you know your body thrives in an alkaline state? Modern diets loaded with processed foods, sugar, and acid-forming ingredients disrupt your pH balance, leading to inflammation, fatigue, and even chronic conditions like heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. But fear not. Nature provides us with alkaline superfoods that neutralize acidity, detoxify your system, and restore vitality. In this video, we're revealing 16 alkaline powerhouses you should eat daily, from potassium-rich bananas to antioxidant-packed blueberries, hydrating cucumbers, and even spicy jalapenos. Stay tuned because these foods aren't just about pH balance. They're loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds, immune-boosting vitamins, and cancer-fighting antioxidants. Let's get started. Number 1. Lemons, the ultimate alkaline detoxifier. Yes, they're acidic on their own, but once metabolized, lemons have a powerful alkalizing effect on your body. How? Their citric acid converts into alkaline minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium during digestion. Lemons are a detox powerhouse, packed with vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, iron, and pectin fiber. Their antibacterial and antiviral properties support liver function, flush out toxins, and even prevent kidney stones. A 2022 study in Nutrients found that daily lemon consumption boosts glutathione production, your body's master antioxidant for fighting inflammation. Bonus tip: start your day with warm lemon water. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water to kickstart digestion, hydrate your cells, and balance pH levels. Bonus: add a pinch of turmeric for an anti-inflammatory boost. Number 2. Cucumbers. Hydration plus alkalinity. Next, cucumbers. Nature's ultimate hydrating alkaline food. With 95% water content, they're a top choice for flushing acidic waste and keeping your body cool. But there's more. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin K, silica, and manganese, key nutrients for glowing skin, strong bones, and healthy blood vessels. Their antioxidant flavonoids, like fisetin, reduce oxidative stress linked to Alzheimer's and cancer. A 2021 study showed cucumber extract lowers blood sugar by nearly 30% in diabetic patients. Plus, their high fiber supports gut health, critical for maintaining an alkaline gut microbiome. Wellness tip: add cucumber slices to your water with mint for a spa-like detox drink, or blend them into smoothies for a hydrating base. Number 3. Beet greens, the forgotten alkaline superfood. Don't toss those beet greens. Often overlooked, beet greens are one of the most alkaline foods on the planet. Their bitter taste stimulates bile production, helping your liver break down fats and neutralize acids. They're loaded with vitamin A, calcium, and iron. A single cup provides 220% of your daily vitamin K needs for bone health. Beet greens also contain betalains, rare antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. Recipe idea: sauté beet greens with garlic and lemon juice for a quick alkaline side dish, or blend them into your morning green smoothie. Number 4. Bananas. Potassium sticks for pH balance. Bananas aren't just a quick snack. They're alkaline powerhouses. Their high potassium content counters acidic sodium in processed foods, balancing blood pressure and reducing stroke risk. The resistant starch in slightly green bananas feeds good gut bacteria, while their magnesium relaxes muscles and improves sleep. Worried about sugar? A medium banana has just 100 calories and 3 grams of fiber. Way better than sugary granola bars. Wellness tip: freeze bananas and blend with almond milk for a creamy, alkaline-friendly, nice cream. Number 5. Tofu, plant-based alkaline protein. Tofu is a must for alkaline plant-based diets. Made from soybeans, it's rich in isoflavones like genistein, which studies link to lower breast cancer risk and stronger bones. Opt for organic, non-GMO tofu to avoid pesticides. Each serving packs 10 grams of protein, iron, and calcium, perfect for muscle repair and bone density. Fermented tofu, like tempeh, also contains probiotics for gut health. Wellness tip: marinate tofu in lemon juice and turmeric for an alkaline anti-inflammatory meal. Number 6. Watermelon, the alkaline summer staple. Watermelon isn't just refreshing, it's a high alkaline fruit with a pH of 9.0. Its citrulline amino acid boosts nitric oxide, improving blood flow and heart health. The lycopene in watermelon, more than tomatoes, fights free radicals, reducing prostate cancer risk. Plus, its high water and fiber content detoxify kidneys and prevent UTIs. Wellness tip: blend watermelon with lime and chia seeds for an alkaline hydrating snack. Number 7. Kale, the king of alkaline greens. Kale earns its superfood status with a pH of 8.3 and sky-high vitamin C, K, and A. Its sulforaphane compound activates detox enzymes, shielding your cells from carcinogens. Raw kale can be tough on digestion. Massage it with lemon juice to break down fibers. For a crispy treat, bake kale leaves with nutritional yeast for alkaline, cheesy chips. Number 8. Blueberries, antioxidant alkaline gems. Blueberries are a low-sugar alkaline fruit loaded with anthocyanins. These pigments reduce DNA damage and slow brain aging. A 2023 study found daily blueberries lower LDL cholesterol by 12%. Add them to oatmeal, smoothies, or salads. Pro tip: wild blueberries have twice the antioxidants. Number 9. Apricots, alkaline sunshine in a bite. Apricots shine as alkaline superstars. Dried apricots have a pH of 8.5. Their beta-carotene protects vision, while boron strengthens bones. But beware, dried versions are calorie-dense. Stick to 1 to 2 servings daily. Soak them overnight for a plump, gut-friendly snack. Number 10. Green beans, silicon for bone health. Green beans are alkaline miracles with silicon, a mineral critical for collagen production and fracture prevention. Their chlorophyll also detoxifies blood and boosts iron absorption. Sauté with garlic and almonds for a crunchy, alkaline side. Number 11. Avocados, creamy, alkaline fats. Avocados neutralize acids with their healthy monounsaturated fats and potassium. Their oleic acid reduces inflammation linked to arthritis, while lutein protects eye health. Swap mayo for mashed avocado in sandwiches, or blend into chocolate mousse with raw cacao. Number 12. Garlic, the alkaline immune booster. Garlic's allicin compound is a natural antibiotic that alkalizes your body and fights infections. It also boosts glutathione to detox heavy metals like mercury. Roast whole bulbs for a sweet, spreadable alkaline condiment. Number 13. Almonds, alkaline protein power. Almonds are alkaline-forming nuts rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E. Soak them overnight to reduce phytic acid and boost digestion. Make almond milk at home. Blend soaked almonds with dates and vanilla for a sugar-free alkaline drink. Number 14. Cayenne pepper, spicy alkalinity. Cayenne's capsaicin fires up your metabolism and alkalizes your blood. Studies show it lowers blood pressure and curbs sugar cravings. Add a pinch to soups, smoothies, or even dark chocolate for a kick. Number 15. Sea vegetables, oceanic alkaline minerals. Kelp, nori, and dulse are mineral-rich sea vegetables with pH levels up to 9.0. Their iodine supports thyroid function, while fucoidan fights viruses and tumors. Add kombu to beans while cooking. It reduces gas and adds umami flavor. Number 16. Jalapenos, Fiery alkalinity. Surprise! Jalapenos are alkaline-forming and packed with capsaicin. This compound reduces LDL cholesterol and triggers endorphins for a natural mood lift. Add pickled jalapenos to salads or avocado toast for a gut-friendly crunch. There you have it, 16 alkaline foods to transform your health. Which ones are you adding to your cart? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this deep dive into pH balance and anti-inflammatory eating, smash that like button, subscribe to The Wellness Habit, and ring the bell so you never miss our weekly wellness tips. Stay alkaline, stay vibrant, and remember, your wellness journey starts with one habit. See you next time.